Hi, I love helping businesses reach their goals with SEO. When a business like yours approaches us, the first thing we do is detailed research. We look at where you are today, what your competitors are doing, where the opportunities are, and what it would realistically take to reach your growth goals. Depending on the size of your project and depending on your budget, we usually create a video consultation anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes long. Then we jump on a video call to go through strategy, timeline, budgets, and answer any questions. If we end up working together, we begin improving your website, SEO, content, technical issues, authority, and visibility across Google, Maps, AI search, and everywhere else that your customers are searching for you. Over time, your business moves closer towards its goals month after month while we continue fine-tuning and improving performance. It is unfortunately a very long-term and ongoing process, but the return on investment is absolutely enormous. Anyway, enough talking. Let's take a look at a consultation we did a while back for a business that's doing very well today. Whoever did this website, they know exactly what they're doing. Actually, when I look at the site, I'm thinking, wait, did I build this? It was obviously built by an expert. It's obviously being managed by an expert. So do not fire the person who manages your website. And I definitely wouldn't really change much on your website at all, other than one thing, which is Google expects some more content here above the fold. This section here, which has the photo of you defending someone, Google actually, typically what you see is you'll see a picture on one side, which you have, and text on one side, which you have, but usually it's something a little bit different from this. It would usually have, it's going to be hard to explain. Let me jump into this. Let me show you something probably more useful to you. Very high SEO scores, good best practices score, good accessibility score. Here's your performance score, 41 out of 100. Your website basically takes 11.4 seconds to completely load. Here's what's going to happen. Somebody's looking for a lawyer in Philadelphia to defend them. And so they go on their phone or on their computer. For you, it's probably going to be mostly their phone. And they're going to Google something like lawyer, DUI lawyer, etc. in Philadelphia. And whichever lawyer website, whichever law firm's website loads faster than yours and scores higher in these areas, well, their websites are going to show up higher than yours. So you want to make this load, if possible, 2 seconds. And based on the good performance of your website, whoever has done your website, they will be able to reduce the file size. So ask them to do that, and you don't even need me for that. You will just notice a dramatic increase in your rankings. Now, your website has an absolutely excellent website authority score, 38. For where you are and what you do is above excellent. Your traffic is above excellent. It's basically 7,000 visitors per month. Here is something that, and I could probably improve this marginally. If you have somebody managing this, they're doing an excellent job. Here's something that can be improved upon. You have basically 10,000 excellent backlinks, and they're coming from 500 referencing domains. What I would do is I would actually add another 500 referring domains. You want to have as much diversity as possible. So, for example, if this was 10,000 backlinks from 10,000 different domains, this number would be significantly higher, and this number would be significantly higher. So you want to have a high number here. You also want to have a high number here. So I can help you with that. And I would basically build a couple of really great backlinks every day on an ongoing basis. And you would notice both of these numbers going up. And then there is a lag a couple weeks after these numbers go up. I should probably say a couple months to be safe, you'll notice this number go up, and a couple months after this number goes up, this number goes up, the organic search traffic. Now, your traffic trend is actually above average. Again, really good. I've seen a lot of law firms during the pandemic go up and down, a really violent roller coaster. Yours has actually been quite steady, and I see an uptrend here. So phenomenal. You are ranking for over 7,400 keywords. Again, excellent. So basically, the only thing that I would like to do for you, I don't even want to touch the website. I just want to build a whole bunch of backlinks to your website to improve your authority score, thus improving your organic search traffic. I hope we could work together. Have a great weekend. The consultation you just watched was recorded years ago, so naturally SEO has evolved a lot since then. Today, ranking a business successfully takes significantly more time, strategy, content, technical work, and ongoing optimization than it did back then. My team and I have been doing SEO since 1995, and over the years, we've helped businesses from all over the world grow their traffic, visibility, and revenue through SEO. If you're a growing business and you need help with SEO, feel free to contact us anytime for an up to date consultation. Or you could try our SEO service with a 90-day free trial. Thanks for watching, and I hope this consultation gave you some useful ideas for your own business.